We have Rotimi. Let's see. 100% job success score. I wish. I think I don't have that. I used to. Trust me, I used to be better. But yeah, I had one bad client that kind of screwed me over. But let's see, Rotimi. I would probably try to find a photo or cut off the background of your photo. I think that the photo seems clear enough. That could be an easy job. Maybe with something like Canva could be easy. Okay, same thing that I've said here before. I would probably say UX designer for the type of client. It only takes 1 minute to know if I'm the right designer for you. That sounds like the other guy. But I love the kind of bullet points. I don't think this is that attractive of a hook. I would try to do something else. Let's see. Let's talk about you for a second. I know for a fact that good UX is so rare. You could probably lead with something like that. Honestly, I would ask ChatGPT to write a good hook to go before the sentence. I would delete all of this. Like this, I would just exit out and start there, or write something to go before that makes sense together, if that makes sense. I know for a fact, whether you're aiming to increase conversions, simplify the UX flows, or create a product from the ground up, you're likely found the right fit with me. Here's the exact value your product gets working with me. Now I know this may sound basic, okay? P.S. I know you see in progress contracts on my profile does not mean I'm not available. I like this. I'm on the fence about this just because it feels a little defensive, but I know you've heard this before because I've heard this before. Oh, you have so many open jobs. What does that do? Are you sure you have the time for me? I don't know if this is working for you. If clients are mentioning this for you, definitely keep it because I'm sure you're hearing that from many clients for you to put that in there. There's a good chance you like me already. Okay, strong wording there. Shoot me a message or scroll down to check out my portfolio and testimonial. Or honestly, here you could also put mentioning the design consultation because that's something they can give you money for just to talk to you, which is always great. Oh, you also don't have that many, but oh, one thing I would do in your case here is try to ask views from these people. I don't know if you know it. After 30 days of a contract, you can ask for a review even if it's still in progress. So that would give you more feedback. But yeah, you do have quite a few jobs and quite good feedback. Portfolio looks good, has a lot of examples, which we love to see. Do you want to click on a random one? Oh, it has really a lot. I like this one. This here is a comprehensive. Honestly, I like this. Let's look at another one to see if it's more detailed. Let's see your most recent one. Yeah. I mean, you also don't need that much. You also link to Behance, which I don't know if you have. Oh, you do have additional. Oh no, maybe you have it here, right? Yeah, so you have a lot of information in the images, so that's not bad at all. I honestly quite like your design style. All right, skills. Let's look at the skills from the specialized profiles. Let's see if you have it going on. Available to start today. Honestly, why don't you have this on your main profile? I think this is great. There's definitely a lot of clients that need things fast that can make you stand out. Oh yeah, you have a lot of skills. We love to see it. I'm top rated because I actually deliver results. This is good as well. You could probably take some things from the specialized profiles to your main one. You definitely know what you're doing. Again, project catalog, you have 3 things here, not bad. I wonder if you don't need it for sure, but you could probably ask for testimonials outside the platform, but again, not 100% needed. And if we're gonna pick on anything, you should add a video. You can do, I don't know if you can find something to animate these mock-ups, or I don't know, because you have such good looking graphics, visuals kind of work. Since your work is so visual, that's what I'm trying to say. Your work is so visual that I think you could definitely get a good video, even if it's just kind of animations of your work, if you don't feel comfortable going on camera. But I think you have a great start. You need to marry all these three profiles and you're on the right track for sure. And also, you have good earnings, have good like social proof in there. So definitely keep going. I like to see that.